Whew. Are you ready to level up your armatures? Well... Hello everyone. It's been a while. It's been a long while. It's been a good while. Why has it been a while? We've been really busy. What can I say? But in a good way. I've got some notes. A little bit rusty at doing this, so gonna kind of give it to you from the notes. So for the past 3 years, we've been in development with a very special partner, very special indeed. And ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are not disappointed. For those of you who are big fans of Animation Toolkit, you will remember our Ray Harryhausen kit, and we hope that this new kit will give you something even better. So, has the hard work paid off? Read my notes, yes. So has the hard work paid off? Well, I certainly hope it has, and I'm so excited to share this with the world. Do you want to know what it is? I'm not going to tell you, not on this one. This is a tease. What I'm asking you guys to do is to check us out on Facebook, Animation Toolkit on Facebook. On May the 13th, we're going to announce live our great new partnership with our kind of armature store. We are super excited, and we want to share that with you. So don't forget it. Monday, May the 13th on Facebook. Does that cover it? Sorry guys, I'm a bit rusty. I've just not done this for a while. It just feels a little bit alien again, as it did the first 2 times. Big up your motivation, stay committed to your stop motion projects, it's super important. And as always, did we establish the line? Did we? And as always, ladies and gentlemen, Anna Builders, keep building, mega. Oh. I forgot. I did forget something. The most important thing, what we've been looking for, if you're interested, is if you've got a stop motion project and you'd love to share it with us, then check us out on Instagram. Post your project on there. Don't forget to hashtag Animation Toolkit into your project, and also use our Facebook wall. Post your projects onto our Facebook wall so we can all see what's going on, particularly if you're using Animation Toolkit product, or if you're not, that's cool. We'd love to see it anyway. We love seeing new projects and giving advice as and where we can. So yeah, shout us out. Let's see it. Test us. Okay, really gotta go.